Dookie. Oh, he has his sugar bowl in. Okay, so what do you have, honey? Do you have your sugar bowl? Yes. Yeah, do you feel better with your sugar bowl? Oh, honey. I think he's ready for a nap. He, look how gentle he is with it. It's amazing. He took my candle and the creamer, of course, is never far. You're a good boy, Dookie. Do you feel better? Mommy loves you. Yes, Mommy loves you. I think y'all know that I do buy him toys. But they always go by the wayside because he prefers these things. Do you know I'm talking about you, honey? Yes. He's gonna take a nap now. Okay,